the Grand Floridian. Olivia's first time.
I am so excited. Yeah, that's the best one.
Yeah, big chandelier.
Yeah, chandeliers.
Yeah. Do you see it?
Oh my goodness, Mom.
Do you see the elevator?
That's fancy. I love you.
It is fancy. That's a bird cage over there.
Oh my goodness, that's a big birdhouse.
Yeah. You want to press number 2? Go look out the turn around.
Mom, look at that pretty chandelier.
Yeah, what do you think of this
Look
place?
at that and that. I love it.
All right, come in.
Walk in.
Yep, you can open your eyes and come in.
Oh my goodness. Look at his head. My goodness. Can I stand up on here?
I don't care.
Okay, because I can't see. Mom, look, you can see the top of the tower in front.
Do you see the castle?
Yeah, the top of it.
Oh, do not lean over. It's okay.
I love this place already.
What?
I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I
Aw,
love
that
it.
is so good. I knew you would love this place.
Especially this area.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a really quick room tour because we gotta get ready for dinner. Apparently, we're just gonna start with the patio. So, here's the patio. And the gorgeous view, where you can see the castle. Here is our beautiful room.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, check out the bathroom, girl. Isn't it amazing?
Little frame.
Just like to put a robe on.
So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in that. Finding the true love's kiss a girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down.
Come on. I have one more important question before you go to bed.
Okay.
Do you want to see the castle
Yeah.
from our balcony, all lit up at night?
Maybe.
Come on. Come on up.
I see the ball.
Yeah, look at it. That's Tron.
The ball?
Yeah, the one that's twirling different colored lights.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's Tron.
Oh.
And then beside it is Space Mountain, and then you can see the castle, and you can be Main Street, the Contemporary. Do you love it? Good morning.
Good morning, Mommy.
How are you?
Good. We're, after this, we're gonna go, after breakfast, we're gonna go get ready to go to the pool.
Yay.
I know it might be too cold for the pool in the morning here, but Mom brought my bathing suit because she knew I was gonna choose the pool, and I really want to go to the pool today.
We will go to the pool.
Yay!
How'd you sleep?
Good.
What do you think of our fancy hotel room?
I like it, and my little Stitch slept good too. Mad Hatter Tea Party.
It is a Mad Hatter Tea Party theme. How cute is that?
Cute.
We got a little beach area down there. So this is the kids section, and then they got a bigger pool over there.
Wait, what time is it?
Oh, that doesn't open till 10?
Yeah.
Oh. Really?
Yeah. We were walking out of the hotel when we realized we forgot our sunglasses, so we went back in, and then we came back out to walk over. But the two pools that we were going to go to had, they said only they open until 10 p.m.
They open at 10 a.m.
They open at 10 a.m. so we couldn't go to there. So we asked another worker here, and now we're ended up here where it is.
Yep. This one is by our hotel room, with the closest one to our building, and it says 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So I just assumed all the pools are 7 a.m. to 11 a.m.
But no.
7 a.m. to 11 p.m. But that's not true. This one opens at 7. The other two, which look amazing, do not open until 10 a.m. So, and it has the beach by it. So just FYI, the kid pool in that area do not open until 10 a.m. Not all the pools open at the same time. Employees did not know that either. It's okay. We have this pool.
It's open at
It's
7
open,
a.m.
and we're gonna have so much fun.
Yay!
What? I thought we just came here to look at the pool.
No, I want to go in the pool.
I thought we were just looking.
And why do we have our swimwear on?
Because it's the appropriate pool attire. It'd be weird if you wore a dress.
I'm
I'm kidding. Don't jump in the pool.
gonna actually walk, not jump.
Okay, go walk in the pool.
Okay.
Go for it.
Bye.
Let me know if it's cold.
Okay. Okay.
Go.
Not that cold.
Not that cold.
I'm gonna go into the deep end.
Go for it. Okay. You know, for 71, 72 degrees outside, you know, it feels like muggy and hot. Well, I wouldn't say hot, but it feels muggy and plenty warm enough for the pool, but I was afraid the pool water would be cold. Surprisingly, it's not bad. Like, it's a little cold, but it's not bad.
It gets deeper, Mommy.
It does get deeper. How's it feel?
It's nice.
It's nice. It's not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Oh, there's a squirrel on the chair right there. Hold on, before I go in real deep, is it okay if I go put my phone back?
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna go get some food. Our flight was delayed a little bit, which is fine. We're just gonna hang out in the hotel an extra hour. We're gonna get food and look around. We got some food. I got the chocolate banana muffin. It looks delicious.
And chocolatey.
What did Olivia get?
I got soy chocolate milk.
Mm-hmm.
And I also got my Mickey waffles.
Allergy safe.
And let's see how many there are. Why did you get me only two?
What?
Why did you only get me two?
That's the kid size, sweetie. Remember?
No, I don't.
I'm sorry. If you want more, we will go get you more, okay? You eat those two first and then we'll see how it goes. Okay?
Okay. I'm trying it. No good.
I'm gonna try the chocolate banana muffin. Everything smelled so good in there, like I didn't know what to choose. This seemed like the way to go. Trying to open it with one hand here. I think I got enough.
How does it taste, Mom?
It's really good.
I know, right?
It's interesting. It's very chocolatey. Definitely a lot of chocolate. Kind of reminds me of like a banana bread and chocolate. If you're wanting chocolate, this is the way to go. So did you notice all the Mary Poppins are,
Uh-huh. There's one again.
now that I pointed them out, did you notice before?
I did not notice the wall. Notice all the pictures.
That's fair. The wallpaper is very subtle. Which hotel has been your favorite so far? You've stayed at 3?
I would have to break it down to 2.
Okay.
This hotel and the last hotel. Probably want to.
Animal Kingdom Lodge. But which one's your favorite?
I would have to say this one.
Okay, what makes this one better than Animal Kingdom? Now, Animal Kingdom has, I mean, honestly, I feel like this is my favorite. But I feel like the Animal Kingdom Lodge has a better view. Being able to see the animals is honestly, I know this is very controversial. I think it's better than the theme park view because we have a theme park view here. I mean, it's okay. I guess if you just want to watch the fireworks from far away in your room. We like up close and personal. I want to feel the vibrations and see the projections and all that. I mean, it's nice, but it's kind of like around the corner. It's not just like looking out and seeing it. So I like the view better at Animal Kingdom Lodge than the Grand Floridian. But room-wise, I like this one better. Oh, this one's beautiful. It's bright. It's blue and pink. You can talk.
I was saying, where's pink?
What are those curtains?
Tan?
They're like a dusty pink. I don't know, is it wallpapering on the closet doors?
Tannish?
It's like a dusty pink. It's like it's a pinky color. I'd call it pink.
I would call it tan.
So what's your favorite thing about this room over Animal Kingdom?
You mean the Animal Kingdom
Lodge, yeah.
Jumbo House?
Jumbo.
The one is beds, real,
Beds are nicer.
and these.
The pillows.
What? The pillows are really nice. I like them.
The pillows are cute and adorable. I don't know if you've noticed this, Olivia.
I've seen those.
Little penguins. They've got the little penguins.
Flowers.
Flowers and the umbrella.
You already told me about.
Yeah, I forgot about the
And the
penguins.
butterflies. Don't forget the butterflies.
Beautiful butterflies.
Oh, you're gonna play hide and seek with the penguin up there.
Yeah.
Right.
So if you don't know, Grand Floridian, the studio resort has like the whole Mary Poppins names with. We love it. It's adorable because Olivia just did Mary Poppins this year. Well, last month you did Mary Poppins. The chandelier has all birds, and there's one penguin. You gotta find
On
the
the
penguin.
second row.
Yeah.
But the first row is all lights.
Yep.
All flames. I think actually 2 waffles would go for me. There's these 2 waffles that I ate.
I thought that might work out. Olivia has just discovered that the couch is a pull-out bed, so now she wants to try it.
So that's
All right, no, you should be able to leave that. Grab that top tag. Yep, and just pull down. Here, let me see if I can help.
Can you help? Look at the pillows.
See, like this. And then you got a whole nother bed.
Can I try it?
You can sit on it. It's nice to have a 5th sleeper when you have 2 kids and they each need their own bed. It's nice, even when you're a family of 4. Or if you have 3 kids. It's nice to have that option. You're right.
It is nice.
It's pretty soft. It's really not bad at all. Impressive.
Hey Disney, play Disney music.
Which world do you want to explore? Tell me to play the Frozen soundscape or play the Lion King.
I just
Did you figure out how to work Hey Disney? The pool was fun, wasn't it?